Hey guys, we're playing Minecraft hard mode on the chest. Caving, we're keep on doing that series. And also that movie, The Other Voices. And also The Other Voices is Mom and Dad. Goo goo gaga. Yeah. We are not continuing survival in wild. We are not. I completely forgot there's dolphins in this game. Completely forgot there's actually dolphins in this game. How did I forget? Okay. Oh, here.
Yuk! May kanin dyan ha. Dami namin sinaing. Yari, papasok. Tubig nila. Itapal doon no. Tubig nila itapal doon.
Tubig?
Talagay sa towel.
Kasi ng tubig.
Let's go.
Hindi nila napunta dyan. Mahirap pag may hika.
I hope we actually find like a cave soon. Or like iron. Where's our cobblestone? I think.
I think na may anak pa yan, ano?
Dahil yung mga kain ng tubig.
Stay on the site and die right.
Ito pala siya.
Oh my.
Ha?
Pwede natin yung teacher. Eh, pinilibutan ako.
Live tour dito sa teacher.
Kahit siyan eh. Bus driver.
My stone pickaxe soon is gonna break.
Okay lang din.
My pickaxe is gonna break. I have to go back.
Hindi isa kaya sabog dito sa Ay, maliligaw ata.
What's maliligaw?
You'll get lost.
Why is it called Lost Bus though? You have to make something with it.
They didn't follow the original direction.
Okay.
Oh shit!
I need to make a pickaxe. Fast.
Kaya.
Siyempre, yung mga tao, all for himself na lang yun.
Oo naman. Pero sa naging selfless sila, yung may mga...
Eh, yung ibang tao kasi may sa amin, yung iba rin.
There we go.
Pero sa ginawa, di ba, napaka-selfless sila. Bitik na lang meron dapat silang puntahan
Ow.
sa mga anak nila. Oh, shucks. Oh, blind yan eh. Totally blind yan eh. Sana it's all, you know, I'm telling blind because the light from your car, it doesn't do anything during the fire. So it's all the same color. That's why they have been hitting everything.
That means the bus is definitely damaged.
It is.
Unfortunately, shortly after leaving the school, the fire destroyed our radio communication, so we have not had contact with the bus since it left Ponderosa. We don't know where they are. All I know is that they are probably somewhere over in East Paradise. East Paradise is on fire! I know, but you know that both police and fire command are looking for them out there, okay? They're doing their best, but you must know that your children are on the bus. The driver and a teacher named Mary Ludwig. Some of you may know Miss Ludwig. Okay? This driver. Yeah, his name is Kevin McKay. He's a new driver to our school.
Yun lang.
Listen. Everybody, please. Please, I know this is really difficult. Kevin McKay, I can vouch for Kevin McKay, as can all of my drivers. He's a good man, and he is going to do everything he can. You have to trust him. I trust him. And right now, he is all we've got up there. Okay?
Ikaw na as parents, wala akong magawa. Ano, love? Ayun yung mahirap na daanan kanina ng mga fire truck.
Sabi nga niya, ano raw yan, maraming curve. Ang hirap daw dumaan dyan. Pagka tapahit mo dyan, hindi ka na makakaalis, makalabas.
Dinaanan niya ng mga fire truck kanina. Hindi ko alam kung yan yun, pero meron silang daanan kaninang ganyan. Sa gilid.
Hindi lang,
found the
yung
cave.
ano, parang
Zigzag na
malapit
ano?
kasi sa ano. Kaya ano, sabi niya mahirap yan, daanan, pero wala na silang choice.
Eh, dinaanan yung mga fire truck na ganyan kanina. Sobrang...
Bangin?
Oo, bangin. Papunta pa lang sila sa ano, sa dyan, sa pinaka-main na ano, sunog. Yung daan silang ganyan.
Wait,
Sila yung dumaan doon kanina.
is it nighttime?
Ay, hindi. Baka iba. Pero may dinaanan silang ganun kanina.
Sila nauna? Sila nauna.
May dinaanan silang ang ganun kanina parang train. Train ba tawag doon? Diba? Tama.
Ang gilid ng bundok.
Ganun. Tapos yung ano, sinasabihan, parang, medyo ano ka.
Okay. Sleep. Okay.
Good thing lang na hindi siya nag-open. Kasi pag nag-open siya, baka pwede i-take over yung sasakyan nila, diba? Siyempre, lahat desperate to live.
Woo! Okay. It is good. I think I can go back down. Actually, let's continue this sooner again.